Brian Beyer. I'm the CEO and founder of Hellbender Inc. Hellbender is an AI on-edge device design and manufacturing company that covers a variety of different industries, from medical devices to sports and entertainment to manufacturing and mapping solutions. We're 70 people, we're about 3.5 years old, and we've done about a little over 20 million in revenue to date. We work in what is being referred to by the industry as the physical AI space. So this is, we're moving computation and machine learning out of the cloud and into the device. And so these need to be miniaturized, mobile, energy efficient, and highly efficient in their computation. And so the value prop that we offer clients is, because we're at just behind the bleeding edge of this space, we're able to put together, new groundbreaking products with at breakneck speed. So speed is one of the things that we sell to our clientele, and we're able to get their products, out in the market much faster than using a traditional in-house team where they need to build years of expertise to be able to deploy these systems. And we can plug in anywhere within a customer's team they need us to. The three big issues that we were dealing with was, number one, speed. So when you use a CM, there are several quick turn houses, but combining quick turn and low cost doesn't exist. So what we're trying to do here on the speed front is, when we're doing printed circuit board design, which we do all of our printed circuit board design in-house, we're trying to iterate and make new circuit board designs on a weekly basis. That was one key element that came in-house. Another was price. So when you use a high quality quick turn house, you're gonna pay a lot of money for it. And so immediately we determined that we could get cost savings by bringing that process in-house. And then the last one is, I would say, a hybrid of quality, which includes like quality, communication, responsiveness. When you're using a board turn house that wasn't involved in the design, and you're having an issue and you don't know if it's a process issue or if it's a design issue, and you need to work through this process, what that really means is you're continuing to lose more time. So even the quality and responsiveness, it goes back to speed. So for us, it really boils down to speed and cost. We needed to bring in printed circuit board assembly, and specifically surface mount technology. And we needed to find something that was able to be easy for us to train and use. We hadn't done it before. Quick to change over. We needed to do low volume, high mix, and we needed extremely high standards of quality, because we're placing imagers and fine pitch ball grid arrays, like on designs that we're spinning, on a weekly cycle here. We were introduced to Europlacer when my co-founder, Adela Wee, was on the hunt for how to bring printed circuit board assembly in-house. And so she reached out to Brad Kendall of Quality Associates. And Brad has decades of experience as a process engineer. And when we talked about the low volume, high mix, the flexibility and the high quality of placements that we need, he helped us design the entire line from the loader to the unloader, with what the right equipment was for our budget and our capability set. And he immediately brought up Europlacer. The reason why we chose Europlacer was high mix, high quality, and ease of use. And it's really dramatically impacted our design cycle by compressing it to, as quickly as we can get a board designed, we can get a board on the line and fabbed. You don't need to have the same feeder in the same position every time you load up. Once you've programmed the system takes over for you. So ease of use translates to speed of deployment, and the real advantage that we get out of that is again, we get a high quality board created very quickly with minimum turnover time. And again, we're in a very quick turn, high mix environment here. And so like the Europlacer is absolutely perfect for it.
My name is Cam Baldwin. I'm an industrial engineer at Hellbender here. I am also the production and process engineer for the SMT surface mount assembly line at Hellbender. I'm also a co-founder with the company since I've been here for 3 years. And I've built the SMT up to what it is today. In our high mix environment, Europlacer has given us the opportunity to really accelerate our training regimen on new SMT onboarding new technicians. Coming from an operator's perspective, I actually used to operate SMT equipment in my old position, so it was a big life-changing moment to realize how easy it was to read through the menus on the screen. It's very visually friendly to the operator and the technician. For example, we've been able to train up 4 technicians internally, and we've been able to do that and get them up and running on a line within the same week. And that's pretty impressive. Just coming from previous experience, it took us months to get everyone up to speed on a full operational level. Brad Kendall, Chris Moreau, and the Europlacer team have delivered on anything we've asked for, and we know we are not their biggest customer, but they have treated us and processed our equipment as if we were.
Europlacer equipment has been extremely reliable since install. We've had very, very little service interruptions, and anything that we had was addressed very quickly by the Europlacer team. We're thrilled with the support. It's only appropriate to acknowledge the partnership that we've had with Europlacer has been a real game changer. At the end of the day, their commitment to our success and our profitability has been remarkable. The ability for the Europlacer team, and I'd like to specifically acknowledge Chris Moreau, has been, truly transformational in our ability to deliver value to clients at a very, very high rate of speed.
What Hellbender has accomplished, I will say, is nothing short of remarkable. It takes real vision and guts and operational excellence to bring SMT in-house, to navigate all the financials and the staffing and logistics of such an undertaking. And it was a major shift for them from outsourcing. Their management and operations team didn't just take a leap, they executed flawlessly. And in just a few years, their success has outpaced anybody's expectations. And they've ordered a faster machine, and they're driving forward with a larger facility to keep up with the demand for what they design and produce. We're honored to stand beside them as they continue to scale and innovate and redefine what's possible in this industry.
If what you're looking for is, bringing in your own capabilities in-house to do high mix, and that's high mix, high quality, I would say look to Europlacer. Like, this is an easy piece of machinery to transition into. It's highly reliable. The placements are excellent. Our yields are phenomenal, and so it's why we're going to be a Europlacer house going forward.